Have you ever walked into a coffee shop, looked at the menu, and suddenly your brain said, nope, I forgot all my English?
Yeah, that moment when you really want coffee but your mouth goes into airplane mode. Please wait, loading.
Don't worry, we're fixing that today.
By the end of this video, you'll talk confidently in any coffee shop. No stress, no panic, just smooth English. Let's jump in.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the Real English with AK channel.
We help you speak real English, the English people actually use in real life.
And today we're taking you to a coffee shop.
A coffee shop. We'll teach you the exact phrases native speakers use.
We'll practice together, repeat together, and make everything easy.
All right, time to order some coffee.
We'll learn everything step by step in 5 simple parts. 1. Entering the coffee shop. 2. Talking to the barista. 3. Ordering drinks. 4. Ordering food. 5. Extra questions plus paying. Speak slowly. Repeat loudly. Learn confidently.
Imagine you walk into a coffee shop. The barista smiles and says,
Hi, how can I help you?
super simple. Your answer can also be simple. Try this phrase.
I'd like a coffee, please. Good. I'd like is polite, friendly, and natural. Every English speaker uses it.
Choose the correct answer. What do you say first at a coffee shop? I'd like a coffee. B. Bye. See you tomorrow.
The answer is A.
If you say B, you're leaving before you even order. After you say what you want, the barista usually asks a few questions. Don't stress. They're always simple.
Here are the questions you'll hear the most.
What size?
The options are usually small, medium, large,
I'll take a small.
or I'll take a large.
I'll take a small.
For here or to go?
Will you drink it in the cafe or take it with you?
For here or to go.
Any sugar or milk?
Yes, a little sugar, a bit of milk, please.
No, thank you.
What name should I write?
Emily.
Or it's Paul. I'll ask like a barista. You answer. What size? For here or to go?
Nice. Remember, slow answers are fine. Confidence comes with practice.
Let's learn the most useful drink phrases.
These are the exact phrases people use every day.
Simple drinks.
I'd like a black coffee.
I'd like a latte.
I'd like a cappuccino.
I'd like a latte.
I'd like a latte.
Adding details.
Native speakers add small details to sound natural.
A small iced latte. A large hot chocolate. A medium caramel frap.
A small iced latte.
A medium caramel frap.
Changing something.
You can change the milk. Can I get it with soy milk? Can I get it with almond milk?
You can change the temperature too. Can I get it extra hot?
Asking for recommendations.
If you're not sure what to order, ask, what do you recommend? Or, what's popular here? Which phrase is correct? Give me coffee now. B. I'd like a small latte, please.
Definitely B. It makes you sound like a villain in a movie.
Most coffee shops have snacks and pastries.
Here are the phrases you need.
Asking what's available.
What do you have today? What pastry do you recommend? I'd like a croissant. I'd like a blueberry muffin. I'd like a chocolate chip cookie.
I'd like a croissant.
I'd like a croissant.
Does it contain nuts? Is it gluten-free? Is it spicy?
How much is the muffin?
It's $2.50. Say the full sentence. I'd like a muffin, please.
Perfect. Please is small but powerful. You're almost done. Now it's time to pay.
The barista will say, that'll be $5.75.
I'll pay by card. Can I pay with cash?
Or simply, card please. Do you have Wi-Fi? Can I have the Wi-Fi password?
Can I get a cup of water?
Do you have free water?
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Pro tips.
Tip number 1, use polite forms. I'd like makes everything sound smoother.
Tip number 2, speak slowly. Coffee shops are noisy. Slow is good.
Tip number 3, if you don't understand, say, sorry, could you say that again?
Fun fact.
Latte means milk in Italian. So if you just say latte in Italy, they might hand you milk.
If you want coffee, say cafe latte.
Now it's your turn.
Write your full coffee order in the comments.
Drink plus size plus extra details.
Example, I'd like a medium iced latte with almond milk.
We'll check your sentences and help you improve.
Thanks for hanging out with us today.
Practice these phrases. You'll walk into any coffee shop with confidence.
If you enjoyed the lesson, tap the like button.
Subscribe for more easy English lessons.
And share this video with a friend who loves coffee.
See you in the next one.